Ko hikurangi te maunga, ko waiapu te awa, ko Ngāti Porou te iwi, no reirei te iwi, nau mai, hara mai ki te papatākoro whutupōro, o whakarua ki Ruatoria, mō tēnei kēmu. Wainganui a te haukainga hamo te rangi, me ngā manuhiri no whanganui, no te awa o whanganui. Me mihi hoki ki ngā mate huhua o te wā, i ngā mate haere atu rā. Apti hono tātai hono a rātau ki a rātau, apti hono tātai hono tātau te hongora ki a tātau anō. He mihi hoki ki ngā whānau, ke raro i ngā kapua pauri i tēnei wā, ai ko rongo au, ko taka te toki aitua i rungo i etahi whānau o te tai rāwhiti nā reira, ka tika me mihi atu ku aroha, ka tukuna ngā mihi ki a koutou i raro i ngā kapua pauri. He mihi hoki ki ngā kai tautoko. Ngā kamupene o PARATA Limited me WAIHANGA. Nā rātou te pūtea tautoko mo tēnei mo ngā kimu katoa o Ngāti Porou East Coast. Welcome to today's broadcast whānau. We are here at Whakarua Park for this clash between no Whanganui, the Whanganui women's team. A lot riding on this game today, as the winner will host Whanganui 1 point ahead on the table, so lots to play for today for these wahine out there. Let's take a look at the manuhiri for today. Whanganui, Melina Tofa, Kim Hunt and Sosoli Talawandua in your front row. Trisina Hooper, Shay Tipu, your locks. On the bench, on the side of the scrum today, there's Samara Paul Long, Te Huinga Chambers and Mihi Peka Mackenzie Mason. At halfback today, Tyler Barrett. Outside her is Elise Bird, Kessia Singanasuru. There we go. Tiana Kauika, Melini Mio, Alice Ireton, and Brooklyn Walker on the bench. Tyler Thompson, Becky Manu, Taina Ngaunga, Akasita Ma, Paige Pierce, Waimana Potaka Osborne, Whanarere, Teresa Rennie, and Diaz Gabriel. That's your manuhiri for today. Let's take a look at your Hamoterangi team for today. Just one change in the Hamoterangi team. Karina Ranapia, Mariah Green and Charlie Haua Kahaki Reiga, your front row. Zoel Heaney and Hinewai Pounamu Rangihuna in your locking department. Morgan White, Alize Grant and Kimi Parata, your loose trio. Kahurangi Delamere drops into number 9 with Renadine Goldsmith at first 5. Dana Kupa on the left wing. Iri Tana Taniora at second 5. Ata Mangu in the middle at centre. Lily Rudlin on the white wing. Alexis Kopu at the back. Maya Gobi, Jonette Karaka, Hazley Whakataka, Jocelyn Franklin, Crystal Asiata, Nico Teri, Nikita Wharehinga, and the coach, Te Kura Ngata Airenga Mate, filling in at number 23 today. A late change to that Hamoterangi team. Not far away from kickoff though. Your referee today, Sean Murta. He is joined by Jason Babington, and who else is on the sideline with him? Mr. Jimmy Green, I believe it is. Big game for these ladies, as I said. The winner will host the final, and that means a big trip for one of them. Well, Whanganui team flew into Gisborne last night, bust up today. Next week. Let's get your scoreboard up then hopefully we've got enough room on here to put up a full copy of this game after. Afterwards. So apologies with our internet for a while now. We've got Starlink and Giznet, but I can see on our Facebook that we're already lagging, so apologies. Let me try and get this sorted for you. I can't understand why we're lagging. Oh it's a big lag too. It's a big lag too. Captions off, I can see we are dropping in and out, whānau, so apologies. Just waiting here for a live signal. Hopefully we're back. Just doing a quick check, so hopefully we're coming through loud and clear over the airwaves as well as over our Facebook channel. We are recording this, so we will have a live copy, a full copy up on our YouTube channel if we drop out, but not far away from kickoff here at Whakarua Park between the frontrunners of the North Island Women Heartland competition, Whanganui, and at the moment currently in second place is Hamoterangi. So we're just waiting for the teams to come out here, and the ladies will get us underway. Of course, the main game is on Sky this afternoon, live at 2:05 p.m. or 2 p.m. I think, around that time. And let's hope we've got a good game of rugby here. Bit of northwest, southwest wind, which is supposed to pick up today. So hopefully not having too much impact on the game. It's a huge turnaround from yesterday's conditions, which was torrential rain, bit of flooding up the northern end of the territory. And yeah, woke up this morning to clear skies. But the forecast is for strong wind to pick up this afternoon. So Hamoterangi and Whanganui. Whanganui first to come out of the changing rooms to make their way onto the paddock here. And as I look at them, they'll be playing from right to left. And they will have the... Well, I don't think there is an advantage. Maybe there's a wind advantage to the Hummel team. It's cross. It'll affect both teams. So waiting for the home team to come out onto the park. Hamoterangi. And yeah, late change there for the Hamoterangi team with coach Te Kurangata Airinga Mate togging up. So 2 former Black Ferns out there today in Te Kurangata Airinga Mate and Sosoli Talawandua. And taking a while for these Hamoterangi to come out of the changing rooms. We can't I hope delay too long because there's a live game after this and live TV can't wait. Let out by Mariah Green. I think the captain is Alice. Have come out of the changing rooms and out onto the park. Sean Murdoch will get us underway very shortly. And I apologise to our viewers because we have got a bit of a lag going on. Whanganui to get us underway here. Whanganui get the ball back off the kickoff there. It's the halfback with the ball. Halfback in there again is Barrett. Quick hands out through the back line. It's been lost forward here as the Hamoterangi come up with it. They spin it wide out to Rudland. Rudland juggles it. Meter line. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith back to Ranapia. Advantage over, says Delamere in there looking for the ball. She wants runners to take it forward. Goldsmith, long pass out to Taniora. Oh, she gets... Whanganui, they've turned it over as the second 5 there. That's 5 out from the Hamoterangi 22. They come out to the near side to Hooper again. She's inside the 22 now. They go open again. Out to the number 5. That's Tipu. Penalty here to Whanganui. They go quickly. Barrett taps it. Gives it to Tofa. About 12 out from the line now. Barrett. 15 is coming. That's Walker. Still here. Number 30. got the ball and one of her teammates in front of her. Obstruction is the... Goldsmith with the kicking duties. Safely into touch just outside the 22. Short line out called here by Hamoterangi. They go high. It's gone over the top though. Lost forward in the line out. No advantage, says the referee. They'll come back for the knock on at line out. Have the advantage of having... And it's not good coverage on our live stream because we are lagging and there's nothing I can do about it. Barrett feeds the scrum. It's popped out the back. They come open out to Muir again. Muir with a strong run into the 22. Not rolling away, says the referee, as they swing it out to Walker again. Taken down, 15 out from the line here. Barrett gets in there looking for the ball. Back to her number. Barrett, quick ball again. Might have been lost forward there. Referee says no advantage. They'll go back. No kicks. They're going to tap and go. Oh, we've got no internet. Why have we got no internet now? Saying? I'm looking for our... Just doing some ticking in the background here, trying to get our Facebook page up and running. I'm not sure why we're saying no internet. There's a scrum here to Ngāti Pro to Hamoterangi. It's come out to Rudland. Back to Goldsmith. Goldsmith swings it out to over the 22. Referee calling for release. Oh, we've got no internet. Stream. Not sure why the old internet has dropped out there. The kick through there from the Hamoterangi team is picked up here by the second five for Whanganui. Good run here as she takes it. They swing it out. Forward pass though, picked up there by the referee. It'll be a Hamoterangi scrum. We've had a ground. I'm trying to get things sorted for you. This comes out the back though as Goldsmith gives it to Rudland. Rudland going for a run. Rudland breaks the dummy. Back to Rudland now. Rudland brings it out of the 22, back to Goldsmith. Sorry, that Cooper up the middle. Cooper up towards the halfway. Looking for runners. She's got Rudland with her. Rudland. Territory. It's still there for Hamoterangi. Out now to Morgan White. Morgan White going for a bit of a run. Gets a pass away to Green on the wing. Mariah Green standing in the tackle. Driving it forward. It's there for... Oh, the pass has gone backwards. Taniora has to get back there to tidy this up. It's still there for Hamoterangi. Goldsmith sets it up on the halfway. Counter ruck here, but it's still there for Hamoterangi. I think that's Rangihuna. Rangihuna with a good run. Over the top. This one will bounce back into the 22. Might have been a high tackle there, advantage by the referee. No advantage, they'll go back for the penalty. Penalty here to Whanganui, just outside their 22. They call for a scrum. Scrum down just outside the Whanganui 22, more or less midfield. It's about 9 minutes gone. Still no score. Ball in from Barrett. Barrett, they swing it out to the back line. Oh, a bit of a space here. The chip goes through. Bit of a grubber kick picked up here by Kopa. The 10-metre line too. It's there for Delamere again. Out to Haua Kahakirei. Over the top now to Morgan White. White back to Taniora. He pushes one away. Little knock on in there, says the referee. Pretty evenly matched so far. Game. Apologies to our viewers. Our internet has died on us. We've switched to our backup net. We've had a big storm overnight yesterday, so ball in here from Barrett. It's at the back there for Mackenzie Mason. A little knock on there. This will turn over an attacking opportunity for Hamoterangi. Scrum inside the Whanganui 22. Backline splits for this one. Delamere to feed the scrum. It's at the back for Delamere. 9 down the blind, out now to Mangu. Mangu takes it into contact. High shots in. Delamere down the sideline. Back here to Delamere. Delamere infield to, that's Parata. I got her mixed up before with Heaney. It's there for Delamere. Referee still playing advantages. Rangihuna has a go. 7 out from the line. Delamere out to, this time it's Heaney. Solid tackle here from Whanganui. Still playing advantage. New advantage, says the referee. Offside against Whanganui. Out now to Goldsmith. Puts a little chip across. Who's going to get there first? It's going to beat them over. Good thinking there. A post here for Hamoterangi. What do? Do they have a shot? You can see the wind. See the effect of the wind on it. Right out in front of the post. Yeah. Goldsmith puts her team in the lead, 3 points to 0. Hamoterangi will take a 3-point lead. To this first half, kindly brought to you by PARATA Limited and WAIHANGA. Bird, I think this is Bird about to get us back underway. High kick underneath this is, they let it bounce, it's come off the foot. Actually come off the knee into a player in front. Offside is the call. Bit of uncertainty there from the Hummel team has resulted in a penalty. They tap it and go quickly. Up to Talawandua. Strong run there. They lose it, but the referee's got... They're going to run it again here. I saw a few ladies stepping up this time as Mackenzie Mason takes it forward. But through does Delamere into a bit of space. Gets away from Delamere too, she does. Run here by Singa Nasuru. It's been stolen there by Hummel Tarangi. That's the number 8. Advantage, no advantage. Stoppage in play here. Injured. That's Sasoli Talawandua, I think. Might have the ankle. Yeah, she's... Looks like she's going to walk it off. Oh, boy. You might hear me. We've got good health, good speeds. For some reason, we are lagging. It's a penalty there, kicked into touch. Hummel Tarangi, they take a line out a couple of metres inside Whanganui territory. They go high to the back, taken down to Delamere. Out now to Grant. Delamere digging in for the ball. Out now to Goldsmith. She's got Mangu. Mangu takes it into contact. It's there for Delamere. Out. They set it up midway 10 metre 22 inside Whanganui territory. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith to Parata. Fighting though, gets to the ground. It's there for Delamere. Delamere. Delamere plucks it out again. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith to Parata. She's been into everything. Isolation. Allowing the opposition to get over the top of the ball. Coverage. Safely into touch there by Whanganui. Line out here, short line out called by Whanganui. They go high, it's tapped. Ooh, it looked like it. The referee, it's there for Whanganui, playing the ball on the ground. It'll be a Whanganui penalty. Stoppage in play here. Oh, we didn't start our time. Apologies. Thought we started the off at 12. It's now 20 minutes into the first half. Stoppage in play is Mason, I think. Was it? In the lock, Chasina Hooper. Looking for touch here. Safely into touch. Whanganui will have an attacking line out roughly midway 10 metre, between the 10 metre and 22 inside Hamiltarangi territory. They go high. Out it comes now. Bounces for Grant. She does well to hang on to that. Into the 22. Gets back to her feet. She was held. Penalty, says the referee. She's hitting a good tackle over the sideline. There's a stoppage here. So one of the Whanganui ladies, it's the number 4, who was in the hooper. I think she's going to be replaced. It's number 19 is up and ready to come on. That's 2 minutes behind. Short line now called here by Whanganui. They go high. That didn't look straight. Play on, says the referee. Whanganui, Barrett digs it out. That's a Hunt standing in the back line. Oh, it's been stolen here by Atamangu. They won't catch her. She'll go all the way. 50 metres. Atamangu to extend her team's lead. 8. What a break there. Let's. You can just see her there streaking away from the opposition. Valiant attempt from Walker, but Atamangu the post and extend her team's lead. Goldsmith will have the opportunity here to convert the extra points. You can see the strength of the wind there when you need someone to hold the ball for you. Goldsmith comes in. The flags go up. Hamiltarangi take a 10-0 lead. We're probably about 25 minutes into the game. Apologies if you're looking at that clock. That polder didn't start on the Tairāwhiti. And it's Elise Bird away again. One of the water carriers for the Hamiltarangi team off the field. High kick. Up here, it comes out to Kopa. Kopa here to stay on her feet. Back to Delamere. Delamere to Hoa Kahaki Rei. She takes it to. That's Mariah Green. Oh, nice work over the top. Stolen there by the new lock on the paddock. That was the first 5. Barrett, quick ball again. Oh no, she takes a little. They come back here side. Out now to Tofa. Get their first points of the day through the number 12. There's nice build up here from Whanganui. A nice run here by Melina Tofa. Gets the pass away to number 8. And then out to the second 5, Kauika. Clean run to the line. Whanganui bite back. 10 points to 5. It's club day here at Whakarua Park. That's where all the clubs come out in their club colours. Teams today. Usually the players wear their club socks. Club socks on our wahine today. It's the number 14, that's had the kicking duties for Whanganui. That is Alice Ireton. Whanganui. Tarangi will have to get us back underway again. 10 points to 5. It's Goldsmith to restart for Tarangi. Sends it, and it's bounced kindly there for the Whanganui team, and that's the number 6 there. Samara Paul Long comes out now, out to the back line, but there's forward standing in the back line. I think that was quick hands again, out to Ma this time. She spins it wide out to Mackenzie Mason. Back to Walker this time. Walker spins out of one tackle. Down the sidelines, manages to stay in. I don't know how. Mangu up towards the 10 metre inside Whanganui. Delamere out now to Parata. Parata tucks it under the arm and takes it forward. Off the ground. Back to Morgan White, stepping past the first tackle. Oh, there's that advantage over, I should say. Double knock on. First one by the Coast has been by Tarangi. One of our Ngāti Pro's prominent ancestors was married to Parorangi, or wife of Parorangi. The team is named after, or the person. Barrett to feed the scrum. Ball in, picked off the back by Mackenzie Mason. Up towards the halfway goes the number 14, that was Ayrton. No release in the tackle though. Takes play up to towards the Whanganui 10 metre line. Short line out called here by Green with the throw. They look to the middle. It's gone right over the top here. Early lift against Whanganui. No advantage. That was high, says the referee, as Grant goes quickly, looking to catch them offside. Up towards the 22. Ma over the top. Little chip over the top here from Goldsmith. Walker gets a nice fullback. They set it up about 7 shy of their 22. Nice run here to settle things down by Te Huinga Chambers, dragging it up to the 22, just out of the 22. Charge down here. That was Parata. They went for the charge down and got the ball in the stomach. Defensive scrum coming here for Whanganui. They're about 10 out from their line. Referee calls them in. Tarangi, it's popped out though. And that's for touch on that far side of the field again. Gets a nice bounce to take it out to the 10 metre line, past the 10 metre line. Tarangi line out across their far side of the field. Short line out called by Whanganui. Green with the throw. They look to the middle, to the back, I should say. Early lift against Whanganui. Grant's going to go quickly. No, that's Delamere. Spins out now to Mangu. Mangu out to Tani. Tani on the wrap here with Mangu. Mangu out now to Kopa. Looks to get the pass away, but loses it forward. Whanganui advantage here. Referee still playing advantage here. Ayrton playing halfback. Was that one of the front rowers there? Still there for Whanganui. Advantage over, says the referee. Goes out on the wing. Barrett looking for the ball. Out now to the centre. Offside at the ruck. Advantage here against Hamilton. Big run up the middle there by Chambers. Gets the pass away to 10-metre line now. No advantage, says the referee. He'll go back for a penalty against Hamilton. Offside advantage just out as we work towards your halftime break. Ayrton to look for touch again. Safely into touch. Now called again. They come in quickly. It's tapped down. They need a halfback. That's Tofa playing halfback. Out to Ma. They need a halfback. She gets there now. Works it out through, that was the second five. Kohika. Out it goes again. End over end. Is it going to be a 50-22? Nearly. Just outside the 22. By inches. Here for Hamilton. Some nice work there by the Whanganui first five. By Jingos. We're going to be doing some work at halftime, try and sort out our internet issues. I think they go high at the front, down to Delamere. Delamere gives it to Goldsmith. Goldsmith look tidy this one, up now to Rudland. Rudland stepping. Rudland look away. She gets Copper in space. Copper down the sideline, having a go, pushes up, gets back to her feet though. Delamere out numbers here. Out now to Rangihuna. Referee playing advantage. Infield. Advantage still being played here. Delamere goes wide. They've got numbers all out. The defence comes quickly. There's a high tackle advantage being played by the referee. Penalty here. 5 out from the line. Delamere wants to go quickly. Player down injured. Right in the play here. When play resumes, there's a penalty to Hamilton. Just 5-6 metres out from the line. There's a couple of Whanganui players down. Referee has given them a minute. And when play resumes, there will be a penalty. Are they going to go for a tap kick, or are they going to kick it out and have a line out? Your guess is as good as mine. 10-5 if you just... Again, looks like they're going to kick for touch here. Goldsmith will put it in. Full line out called. All the forwards in. Green with the throw. They go high to drive here. It's at the back. Green's got it. Can they keep it going forward? Back here from Whanganui. Green comes open. Can she get it down? Just held up. Fights to get the ball back. Hamoterangi right on the line. The massive defence there from Whanganui to stop that. Another drive and go. There's the try, I think. Whanganui. The defence holds there. It's with the restart. Here, do they look for a short one? I think they've actually got the advantage of the wind because the kicks from them have been going a lot further. Korpu takes it outside the 22. She winds up, brings it back into the 22. Still going as Korpu takes it to ground. Delamere in there looking for the ball. Brings it out now to Green. Out now to Taniora. Through the hands to Goldsmith. Goldsmith out to Mangu. Mangu's got Cooper with it. Cooper taking in a good tackle. Manages to stay infield. Advantage here, says the referee. Might have been high. Dangerous tackle, says the referee. Referee is giving the team here. No more penalties in the red zone. Hamo will look for another line-out drive here. An attacking line-out coming for Hamoterangi. Full line-out called here by Hamoterangi. They go high to Rangihuna. Setting up the drive here. It's gone to ground. There's a advantage, says the referee, as they drive off the back of the ruck. Referee. Goldsmith across the Tani order. They go quickly out to, that's Mangu. Long pass. It's been tapped down. They'll come all the way back here. Is that the warning? Out and give them a card? No. Nui managed to not lose a player on that one. There was a warning just before that. Goldsmith. They'll look for touch again, will they? No, there's a tap move coming. Out it goes to Hoa Kahaki Rei. Gets the pass away to Morgan White. It's there for Delamere again. There's a player on the ball. Delamere has a go from halfback. Referee. No more, he says. Oh, I thought he gave a warning before. Yeah, I can hear what he's saying. And go again. Morgan White has a drive at the line. Delamere again. No, they pick and go. They need a halfback. Delamere out to Goldsmith. They've got numbers here if they can spin it. Taniora playing advantage offside here as it goes out to Grant. Grant to Cooper. Cooper stepping back in. What's the referee say? There it is. Hamoterangi extend their lead again. Out to 15 points with the kick to come. After Dana Cooper, who's had a great game so far, gets over. Hamoterangi could turn with the wind at their backs here. Difficult kick coming for Renadine Goldsmith. She's about 7 in from touch. About 3 or 4 metres inside the 22. But is kicking into a bit of a breeze. What a run from Dana Cooper there. Goldsmith comes in, strikes. It's not going to have the distance. Still time to go in this first half. Kindly brought to you by PARATA Limited and WAIHANGA. Whanganui make the long trudge back to halfway to get us underway again. 15-5, Hamotarangi lead. But I'd say just minutes left to go. It could be less before we have a halftime break. Ayrton gets us underway again. Kicks it to the try scorer. She gives it back to... That's Taniora. Little bit of indecision there. Delamere out to Mangu. She's got Mangu with her. Mangu looks back infield to Delamere. Nice defence there from Copper. Spins it out to Green out wide. They need a halfback here. Delamere gets there now. Out now to Parata. She has to wait and hold for that one, but that's half time here at Whakarua Park. Hamotarangi lead 50. We'll take a short break. We'll be back with your second half very, very shortly. Anau mai hoki mai e te iwi. About to get back underway into your second half. Hamoterangi leading 15-5 after a pretty exciting first half. Just waiting for the Hamoterangi team to come out. Be interesting to know what the coaches are saying under the stands. She's been a pretty good game so far. Interesting to know what So just still waiting for the Hamoterangi team to come out here. Somebody needs to go in and tell them. It's Whanganui out and ready to rock. Now, who wants to be brave and go in and tell ladies to hurry up? Here they come. Hamoterangi with a 10-point lead, 15-10. They will turn with a bit of a breeze at their back. As you could see in the first half that the wind really favoured the Whanganui team a bit more than it did the Hamoterangi team. So Renadine Goldsmith about to get us underway here. Referee about to signal time on. He blows the whistle. 40 minutes of rugby to sort out who hosts the final next week. It's gone 10. It bounces away from the Whanganui team. It's picked up here though. I think that was the number 8. They come back infield. Bit of a high tackle there, says the referee, as he plays advantage. They go again. Barrett. Play on, says the referee. As Whanganui come up with it through Ayrton. Not Ayrton, sorry, that's Bird. Barrett goes back infield to Ma. Ma throws the dummy. Still going as the replacement lock here as Rugby gets her. She gets the pass away to Hunt. Swinger, Singa Nasuru down the sideline. Gets the pass away, but it's been knocked on. There's a change out there. Hamoterangi, she came up with that try-saving tackle. What a run there from the replacement lock. Ma threw the dummy and found herself in space. It'll be a defensive scrum feed coming for Hamoterangi. They are about 12 out from their corner flag. Delamere to feed the scrum. Big shunt there from Whanganui. They get the penalty too. Well, they've been tapping it going. Oh, they're going to go again. Are they? No. They kick it into touch for a line out. I think that was Talawandua who kicked that to touch. An attacking line out coming. Only minutes into this half. They look high in the middle. It's taken down by Ma. They look to set it up here. It's gone to ground. It's been stolen here. Referee says the ball was up. Base coming out of the 22. Oh, it gets taken high there. Pick and go from Wharehinga. Referee playing advantage here. They go back infield. Rangihuna. Still playing advantage. Referees reach. Been for 10 minutes. It's Elise Bird. Was it Alice? Elise. On the sideline for 10 minutes. Hamoterangi will have a 1-player advantage. Kicked into touch there. Line out will take place on the Hamoterangi 10-metre line. Substitution coming here. Number 22 coming on for Whanganui is Teresa Rennie. She's replacing Melini Mio. They look to the back to Rangihuna, down to Delamere. They throw it out wide. Bounces kindly, it's gone backwards though. Rudland picks it up. Gets it back to Wharehinga. Metre line, Delamere in there looking for the ball. Out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith steps, tackles up quickly. Morgan White throws the dummy. It's there for Delamere again. Haua Kahaki Rei throws it backwards. Delamere out now to Korpu. Korpu stepping back infield. Delamere looking for the ball. She's got, that's Ranapia at first receiver. Ranapia gets the pass away to out to Wharehinga, out now to Grant. Grant out to Cooper. Cooper's got Rudland with her. Rudland down the sideline. It'll be a Hamoterangi line out throw. We'll get this game up for you. Recording being done. Substitution for Hamoterangi is Zoel Heaney. Number 18. Is out there as well. And Rudland standing back but not looking too good across on that far side of the field. They look to the back. It comes down. Not straight, says the referee. Free kick here to Whanganui. Injured player here. We're not going to stop our clock. We're going to let it go because we might forget to restart it. We'll just use it as a guide. So Rudland down in back play receiving some treatment here. Don't forget the main game will be on Sky this afternoon, or the men's game. I don't know if you can call it the main game. They're both main games. The men's game will be on Sky. Lily Rudland, who's had a great game out there on the right wing. Both wingers have been involved today pretty much. We'll restart with a penalty, and it looks like Whanganui are going to tap this. Barrett taps it, gives it out to Hunt. Hunt takes it into contact. Barrett goes blind again. They've got numbers here. They go down their blind side. That's Ma. Sends it back infield. Back to Barrett now. Barrett, a little step. It's been stolen off her. And then player on the ground not releasing the ball. They're going to go quickly, are they? No. Looked like Talawandua was going to tap and go. They are going to tap it though. Barrett taps it out to Hunt. Hunt gets the pass away here to, that was Tofa. Inside the 22 now. Back to Talawandua. Out to Ma. Ma takes it into contact. Barrett digs it out of the ruck. Gives it back to Hunt. Hunt to Tofa. Intercept there. It's gone backwards, says the referee. As Korpu will come away with it. Korpu looks to put it out, but it's going to bounce kindly here for the right winger, Ayrton. Ayrton. Looked to shape the kick, but through the dummy. It's there for Whanganui again. They need a halfback. Counter-ruck coming here from Hummel, referee says advantage here to Whanganui. No advantage. He'll come back for a penalty. Coming in from the side. Penalty here for Whanganui. Couple of metres inside. Hummel Tarangi 22. Will they kick for touch? No, they're going to stick to the plan, which is to tap and run it. Out now to Mackenzie Mason. She gives it back infield to Chambers. 12 out from the line here. Whanganui on attack. Out now to Hunt. To Talawandua. Out to, that's Kauika. Good tackle on her. Numbers out wide here. Ma throws the dummy. Nearly snakes through. Knock on in there against Whanganui, says the referee. It will be a defensive scrum feed, and there's a replacement coming here. And Lily Rudland, unable to continue, is being replaced by, is that Nico Teddy? I think that's Nico Teddy coming on, number 21. Defensive scrum feed here for Hummel Tarangi. They're 15 in from touch, about 15 out from their line. Delamere to feed the scrum. Ball in, big shunt there from Whanganui. Delamere plucks it out to Goldsmith. She looks for the sideline. Safely into touch, but not much distance on that one. An attacking line out still for Whanganui. Inside the 22. Full line out called here. They go to the front to Talawandua. Throws the dummy. Knock on against Hummel Tarangi. Whanganui will get a scrum feed. Same place the line out was. An attacking scrum feed here for Whanganui. Scrum down, ball in. Barrett at the back now. Plucks it out, gives it out to Kauika. Kauika, wrap around play here. Kauika will go through here under the post. Wrap around play from Whanganui. Let's take a look at the replay here. Was off the base of the scrum. The ball came out to Kauika. She gave the ball up and wrapped around, and then able to just put the gas on and go through the gap there. Kick to come. 15-10. Right out in front here for Ireton. They got their player back from the bin. No, they've still got a player in the bin down here. As Ireton lines this one up. Rangihun is chasing it, but the kick goes between the posts. 15-12. Whanganui fight back. Remember, there's a lot riding on this one. Hosting rights for the final next week. They'll be playing each other. The final's already decided. It's where it's going to be played. Hummel Tarangi about to get us back underway again. Goldsmith with the restart. Sends it high. Taken in there by Talawandua. Looks to get the pass away. It's been lost forward though. This will be a scrum feed for just inside Whanganui's 10-metre line. So Asiata's gone to number 8. Delamere to feed the scrum. It becomes blind. 8-9 here. Takes the ball into the 22. Is going to snake down the sideline, is she? Reaching for the line. What a beautiful play there by Dana Cooper to set it up. It started from the scrum. Asiata gave it to Delamere. She threw the dummy, threw the pass over. Another strong run. Fends off one. Takes it into contact. Quick turnover here. Watch the nice sneaky run from Delamere down the sideline. Reaches over in the tackle. Extends. 20 points to 12 with the kick to come. That takes them past the 8-point scoring margin. Probably the most difficult kick here of the day for Goldsmith. We have to apologise to our viewers because I can see it's lagging. You don't need to tell me. I've been trying to sort it out for you. Unsuccessful conversion there. Hamotarangi with an 8-point lead. And just take a look at the time. There's about 15 minutes gone in the second half. Some beautiful work there by the Hamotarangi halfback. Set up by another great run by Dana. Ayrton to get us back underway again. Sends it down to Hoa Kahakire, who takes it on the full. Brings it back into the play. Delamere out now to Asiata. Asiata back door to Mangu. Quick hands. It's gone out to Wharehinga. Picks that up. Referee's called it forward. It'll be a Whanganui scrum feed here. Here. Whanganui ball. Ayrton, she's moving a bit gingerly in back play here. There's been a few subs for the Whanganui team. So we wait for the scrum to set here. No changes in the front row as of yet. Barrett to feed the scrum. Ball in. Solid scrum there. Barrett plucks it out to Koika. Koika going for a run. She's got the Walker with her. Walker. Mangu tries to rip it off it. Little knock on at the base of the ruck there. They'll turn it over. Hamotarangi will get a scrum feed. A woman out there for the Whanganui team. Already scored one try. Delamere will feed the scrum about 6 metres out from her 22. Ball in. Big shunt here. It's come straight out the tunnel though. They'll have it again. Whanganui starting to get the upper hand at scrum time. Still got a couple of reserve forwards down on the bench here. Looks like a coach about to come on for Hamotarangi. Ball in. Delamere puts it in. It's at the back here as Asiata brings it off. She's got Delamere with her. Out now to Mangu. Mangu looking for players. She's got Goldsmith out now to Korpu. Korpu. It's gone forward though. Forward. Replacement here for Whanganui. Melina Tofa, who's had a big game, will come to the sideline. Number 17. Becky Manu replacing her. Whanganui scrum feed here. They're about 7 out from Hamotarangi's 22. Ball in by Barrett. Big shunt there, but it's Barrett out to Kauika. Kauika having a run. Kauika slips a tackle. Mangu takes her around the ankles though. Barrett, quick ball. They've got numbers out wide. If they can spin it, they go through the hands. Out now to the number. But she's taken over the sideline. So player and back player a bit slow to make her way across the field though is Haua Kahaki Rei. Stoppages here. Asiata, is it? No, it's Alize Grant, the captain. I think that's down. Receiving some treatment in front of the post. So substitutions coming for Hamotarangi. Looks like number 23. Know who their number 23 is, because number 23 I was told was to be Te Kurangata Airenga Mate. This is a jersey change. Is that Jocelyn Franklin? Jocelyn Franklin going on, I think, wearing number 23. And Te Kurangata Airenga Mate is wearing number 19. Hamotarangi line out throw here. They look to Rangihuna in the middle. Down now to Delamere. Not straight, says the referee. Free kick coming. They'll tap and go here. Barrett looking for runners. Out to Hunt. Hunt taking it into contact. They set it up. 4 out from the line. There's the prop there. Talawandua. Oh, there she is. She pushes off one. Scores next to the post. Great work there from the second 5. From it was Hunt that had the first go. Then it come out to Talawandua. She went close. Watch Kauika wrapping around here, and then with a strong push, able to push off Mangu. Bring her team back in with a chance. 20 points to 17 with the kick to come. Ayrton will line this one up. She's a few metres to the right of the post as we look at it. Ayrton. Chasers are coming. Now they come. Here she goes. Straight between the posts though. 1 point in it. 20 points to 19. What a game this is. And here comes the subs for Hamotarangi. Number 16 is heading out there. It's Maya Gobi. Jonette Karaka's heading out there. As well as the coach, come player, Te Kurangata Airenga Mate, former Blackfern. Out there to try and help her team secure a final. A home final, I should say. They're already in the final. Goldsmith to get us restarted here. She sends it down the middle of the park. It's taken there by Talawandua. Sends it out to Ma. Ma puts a little chip in. Gets past Korpu there. Korpu goes to ground on it though. Little knock on in there, I think though. No, it's a penalty. Sorry, playing it on the ground, says the referee. Goldsmith will look for touch. No, they're going to tap and go. Gives it up to Asiata. Asiata. They set it up here. Oh no, that's Asiata, sorry. Delamere again. Out now to Goldsmith. Out to Mangu. Mangu stepping back infield. Goldsmith gets the pass away. It's been stolen. The referee says no release against the tackler. Well, they look for touch here. Goldsmith is going. Safely into touch. An attacking line out coming for Hamiltarangi. Looks like Ngata Airenga Mate has taken over the throwing duties. Of course, Green has gone to the sideline, been subbed. Rangihuna. They look to the middle. They look to the back, I should say. It's come down on the Hummel side. Out now to Asiata. Asiata straightening up. Takes it to ground. 15 out in front of the post. Out now to Goldsmith. They've got numbers here. Mangu holds it up to Wharehinga. Wharehinga stepping back infield. Wharehinga pushing off tacklers. Trying again. Numbers out to Kupa. Kupa gets it away to Kopu. Kopu gets back to her feet. Defence holds it right on the line there. Down the blind side. Pushed out over the sideline, I think, though. Be a defensive line out for... What a game this is. Stoppage here. There is a... stoppage in play. What a great game of rugby this is. It's the last game of the round robin to determine who hosts the final next week. Whoever comes out on top of the round robin hosts the final. These teams are 1 and 2, only 1 point separating them. At the moment, with the score 2019, Hamiltarangi will host. The game's not over though. Whanganui want their opportunity to say, no, we want to host the final. The final next week and to take bragging rights of the round robin. So only a 5-team competition in this North Island Heartlands Women's Heartlands comp. I think I've seen that Heartlands comp as well. I'm sure I've seen a couple of teams down there playing. Looks like the centre coming back on. That's Meal. I'm not sure who that injured player is across on the far side. Apologies, can't see her from here. Line out for Whanganui. They go high. It's tapped down. Picked up by Ngata Airenga Mate. Gets it away to White. White will score. Hamiltarangi with a turnover at line out time. Push the lead back out to 6 points. You can see Whanganui went high to the middle in the line out. Was knocked down. Te Kura Ngata Airenga Mate got the pass away to Moore. Managed to get the ball down right in front of the referee. 6 point game. Conversion will give them a little bit of a buffer. Same place she took the winning kick from last weekend. Up here to try and extend the lead past the 7 point mark. It's got the height. They lead to 27-19 after that successful conversion from Renadine Goldsmith. It's about 12 minutes left on our watch. Keeping in mind, though, that that man with the whistle down in the middle of the park has sole judge of time. Ayrton gets us back underway again with a high kick. Ngata Airinga Mate calls for it. Give WAIHANGA. Straightens up. WAIHANGA goes straight past the first tackle. Driving towards the leader line. Delamere wants it. Out now to Ngata Airinga Mate. Touch though. Nice defence there from the Whanganui team. Line out here about 6 metres inside Hamiltarangi territory. They go high, back to Talawandua. Talawandua looks to get the pass back infield, does so. Picked up by the number 17. No release, says the referee. Hamiltarangi will look for touch here. Puts it into touch. 7 metres shy of the halfway line. Short line out called by Hamiltarangi. They drop a couple of forwards to the back line. They look to the front. It's tapped down to Delamere. Delamere gets it away to Asiata. Out now to Whakataka. Whakataka driving it forward. I think that was Kauika. Quick tap taken. They come out now to that's Manu. Advantage here from the referee as Talawandua gets it away to number 6. That was Paul Long. Down the sideline goes Ayrton. Chip and chase. Oh, Ayrton! Oh, she gets the bounce. She'll come around towards the post. What a call! Let's have a look at the replay. Ayrton was heading towards the post. There's a little knock on, says the referee. It'll be a defensive score. Spins out of the tackle, goes back infield. Watch the tackle from, here it comes from Mangu. Oh, she did lose the ball. Defensive scrum here for Hamiltarangi. 5 out from the line. Ball in. Big shunt from Whanganui. Delamere gets the ball out, but the referee has penalised the Hamiltarangi forward prop for losing her bind. What does gonna go again? Barrett gives it up to Talawandua. Talawandua just shy of the line. Barrett back to Ma. Ma having a go. Gets the pass away. Drive at the line here. Held just short. Barrett digging in again. Out to Kauika. Kauika sends it wide. They get the pass away. Out to, oh, they're going to go in the corner here. I think that was, what's that? Who's that number that gets up? We'll have a look at the replay here. Might be able to get the number of the player. Some there from Whanganui. They fight their way back. Kick to come though. Through the hands they went. Out to number 23, I think it is. Is that Diaz Gabriel? Might be Taina Naunga. Is that number 18? Apologies, Whānau. No, that's not number 18. We lost the number on their players back. Conversion attempt here from out wide by Ayrton. She comes in, she strikes, it's got the height. Stays across the face of the post. 27-24. 3 points in it. With about 7 and a bit minutes to go, or 6 and a bit. What a game. How many more twists and turns have we got in this one? I think Hamoterangi have emptied the bench. As Goldsmith sends it high. It's been knocked on here. It's picked up here by Hamoterangi. They spin it out to Asiata. Out now. Up now to Kupa. It's there for Delamere. They go out to Gobi. Gobi now to, I think that's, what's her name? Franklin. Delamere looking for the ball. Out now to Goldsmith. Gets it out. Advantage here for Hamoterangi. Did they slow it down and take a shot at goal here? Shot at goal called. Renadine Goldsmith. She's straight out in front of the post here. Just outside the 22. An opportunity to extend the points out to 6. The lead, I should say. Oh, I just can't keep acknowledging how good a game of rugby this is. Women's rugby alive and well at Heartland level. Look at the crowd. They're loving this. Renadine Goldsmith lining it up from, what's that, 23 metres out, straight in front of the post. She comes in, she strikes. The flags go up. Hamoterangi extend their lead out to 30 points to 24. With minutes to go. Looking to try and bank a home final. Whanganui. Ayrton, she's a soldier, that right winger. She's been limping for most of the second half, but she's still out there. Almost scored the try that would have put her team right back in it. Picked up there by Franklin. Franklin standing on her feet, goes to ground now. They're going to tap and go. Chance to steal it if they can to the post. That's number 18. They spin it again. Out to the number 16. That's Thompson. It's there for Barrett. He spins to question it, but he was right behind it. Defense. The pressure's not off though, because they've been under pressure, under the pump. It's scrum time. Delamere to feed the scrum, midfield scrum. They're about 6 out from their 22. They probably want to try and keep the ball in hand here and eat up time. Ball in. It's at the back. Asiata breaks behind. Asiata has a run. Gets it away to Delamere. It's bounced up for... It's been knocked on though. Asiata threw the pass, and I think she was expecting Delamere to be with her. Down to the wire, this one. Barrett to feed the scrum. They've all come across to the open side. Ball in. Now Ngāti Porou give it the shunt. Oh, the referee's penalised them. Watch for them to go quickly. Whanganui. Barrett wants the ball. She taps it. That's the number 7 there. Mackenzie Mason. No, Chambers, sorry. Into the 22 they go. Advantage here for Whanganui. It's been lost forward. The referee will come back. No advantage. Says the referee. There's a flat ball on the park. That one's being exchanged. How many minutes left to go? Your guess is as good as mine. Referee, sole judge of time. Whanganui looking to try and steal this one on full time. Ball's out. Barrett back infield to Ma. Ma having a run. Barrett again. They go open. They've got numbers here. They spin it wide. They get the pass. Oh, it's been knocked on. There's still time to go, says the referee. Whoa. He says 5 minutes left. (30-24). Is that the score? It is. 6 points in it. Hamoterangi with a defensive scrum feed. We've got a game coming up at 2 p.m. after this one. Whanganui versus the Ngāti Porou Kaupoi. Delamere to feed the scrum. She's going to look for touch. An attacking line out coming here for Whanganui. They need a stem pointer though. Full line out called. Full line out called. Do Hummel contest or do they go? It's gone over the top there. Ma brings it down. It's been lost forward. Hamoterangi getting a break there. Forward pass, says the referee. Was handed forward of it. Another defensive scrum feed coming here for Hamoterangi. They're about 7 out from their line this time. Delamere to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's at the back. Big shunt there from Whanganui. It's gone backwards. Knock on, says the referee. Whanganui putting the pressure. Defensive or attacking scrum feed coming for Whanganui. Can they steal it on full time? Barrett feeds the scrum. She's got Kauika at first receiver. Kauika. Oh, there's a bit of an obstruction there, but no, says the referee. They come again. They've got numbers out wide. They spin it out to Ayrton. Ayrton will go in. The kick is needed to win the game here. Watch this one. Ayrton, geez, he's a soldier. They spin it out to Kauika. It looked like a little bit of obstruction. Play on, says the referee. And then through the hands they came out to the right winger, who scores in the corner. All the eyes will be on this kick, and it's the try scorer with the kick to come. To try and win the game for her team. $30 points to 29. How long to go? Ayrton lining this one up to try and sneak a home final. Watch for the chasers. Here they come. Oh, valiant attempt, but it's wide. Hamoterangi hang on for 1 point. By 1 point. There's a re-kick coming. There's a re-kick coming here. And you can't yell. So there's a coming here. I told you how many twists and turns this game got left. There's a twist now. Now they can't charge, says the referee. So Ayrton will get a chance here to try and win the game. Try and sneak her team into the lead. Another opportunity. She steps back, comes forward, strikes it. It's got the same result though, and that's eaten up the clock. Watching the ref here, 1 minute he says. 1 point in it, 1 minute left. I'll say it again, what a game of rugby. What an entertaining game this has been. Take a bow, ladies, take a bow. We need a ball. Might be a bit of home play coming in here. The ball boy hanging on to the ball a bit longer than usual. Do they go deep? They probably want to go as deep as possible. Make Whanganui have to go the length of the field. Goldsmith sends it back to the 22. Oh, it's been lost forward. No, play on, says the referee. It looked like it lost forward there. There's a penalty here. Referee. Last play. 70 metres. That's taken up there. Up towards the 10-metre line. Tackle there from Hamotirani. Asiata looked like she had rights to the ball here. Whanganui put a chip in. Oh, couldn't kick it out here. She loses it forward. That's a knock on. That's the end of the game. Hamotirani secure a home points to 29 and one of the most exciting games of rugby we've been in. Hats off to Whanganui. We'll see you back here at Whakarua Park next week. Hamotirani, as I said, their first ever home final. And you're here on the coast. I know where you should be next week. It's right here at Whakarua Park. Commiserations to Whanganui. What a game of rugby that was. Hamotirani come out on top. It's to 29. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course. PARATA Limited and WAIHANGA. We wouldn't have been able to bring you that excitement without their support. That's my lot. Head to Sky Rugby very shortly, and you'll be able to watch the Ngāti Porou Kaupoi take on Whanganui here at Whakarua Park.